Your forecast and expect.
The following is a coastal flood warning from the National Weather Service for the following county: Newcastle, Delaware, and Salem, New Jersey. What? 2 to 3 feet of inundation above ground level in low-lying areas near shorelines and tidal waterways. Where? In New Jersey, Salem. In Delaware, Newcastle. When? Until 9 p.m. Saturday. Impacts. At this level, flooding may become severe enough to cause some structural damage along with widespread roadway flooding near tidal waterways. Some locations may become isolated by the flood waters. Additional details: the most significant flooding is expected with this evening's high tide. However, water is likely to remain trapped in narrow inlets off the Delaware Bay through Saturday, leading to additional instances of moderate flooding. A coastal flood warning means that moderate or major tidal flooding is occurring or imminent. Be prepared for rising water levels and take appropriate action to protect life and property. Follow the recommendations of local emergency management officials. Do not drive your vehicle through flood waters. The water may be deeper than you think it is. You will be putting yourself in danger and your vehicle may be damaged, leading to costly repairs. Visit the Advanced Hydrologic Prediction Service at water.weather.gov/AHPS for additional water level and flood impact information for your local tide gauge.